So you think buying more security tools makes you safer? Well, let's talk about that.
It's the classic dilemma, right? Your security chief is putting out fires while the CFO is just looking at the bill.
So what do? We fall back on compliance. Just ticking boxes to keep people happy.
But that's a huge trap. It creates a false sense of security and wastes money on the wrong things. Here's the real problem. The game is totally unfair. It's just so cheap to attack and so expensive to defend. Just look at this number from a RAND report. Over 30,000 to 1? It's insane.
Think about it. A cheap drone taking out a billion-dollar radar. That's the kind of imbalance we're up against. So how do you fight back without just throwing money at the problem? You have to get strategic. And there's a great tool for this. It's called the Security Attribute Evaluation Method, or SAM for short. It's basically a 4-step process to put real numbers on your risks and the actual benefits of your defenses. Now, once you have that data, you can build a much smarter strategy called defense in depth. The whole idea is simple. Don't just build one big wall, build a modern fortress with layers.
And every good fortress needs 3 things: walls for protection, watchtowers for detection, and medics for recovery.
This is where SAM becomes your secret weapon. It helps you calculate the best ROI for each one of those layers. Which brings us to the most important point of all. Your defense has to match your enemy.
Because let's be honest, a lone hacker is worlds apart from a well-funded advanced persistent threat, or APT.
As you can see, their skills and resources demand a completely different investment strategy from you.
So here's the bottom line. Your security budget absolutely has to scale with the threat you're facing.
This smarter approach lets you build a real fortress and actually prove its value. So what are you building?